Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing something really exciting. It's been all over social media, all over Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter, and I am so excited. It is the KKWxMARIO 10 pan eyeshadow palette, and here it is. I have not even swatched it. I'm so excited. So the colors are 2008 Glam, Miami, Armenian Loyalty, Decade, Albanian, Vegas, Libra, and Bronzy. So of course everybody has been doing the blue eyeshadow here. That has been the ongoing trend, but I think I'm going to do something a little bit different. And this was recommended by my younger sister K-Ray to use the purple and silvery shade. So I think I'm going to do that just because she knows what's up. So I am going to get into that and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I put on some primer on my eyelids and I'm just kind of setting that with the light cream shade here. I'm going to start with a transition shade, and I'm going to use the light brown here. I think that's called Miami. And I don't want it to be too heavy. I'm trying to dust off as much as I can. I had so much coffee this morning, I'm like shaking. I don't like this blending brush. It's from Morphe. I don't like that, so I'm going to switch to my MAC 217. I just washed these brushes and it kind of felt like that didn't dry fluffy. The bristles were kind of sharp. And I have another clean MAC 217. So I like to bring my brush at an angle because I kind of like a smoky wing created by shadow rather than actual eyeliner, just because I pretty much suck at eyeliner. This is like really pigmented. So I'm going to take another clean blending brush. This is a MAC 224. And I'm just going to soften up these edges here. So luckily these are like pretty blendable because I picked up a little bit too much the first time, but blending it away, I really am liking how it's blending. I saw this really awesome tutorial kind of on the KKW beauty Instagram stories. This girl had like a totally different makeup style, and she used the blue color as like a pop in the middle. It looked really awesome. So I'm just picking up a little bit more of that purpley shade and just deepening up the outer area. Just deepening up the outer crease and just trying to really build that shape that I'm looking for. That kind of like cat eye, like, but it's hard when you don't have nice eyelids as it is. And I'm not wearing foundation yet, so it'll be really nice to take some like concealer and just really clean up that edge. Okay, so to deepen up even more the outer area, I'm going to take this dark shade here. I just really like to spend time wiggling out here in this outer corner. Blending away. Did anybody see Beyonce's Coachella? Whoa. Everybody, I'm sure, just had like chills and goosebumps the whole freaking time. I had the worst headache in the world like an hour before it aired live on YouTube. So I took some Excedrin. I took Excedrin PM. And so I was like trying to watch it. I was like, oh my gosh, how dare me disrespect the queen like that. But I heard she's performing again. How exciting. I can redeem myself and pay her the respect she deserves. Really nice. It is so hard to get the eyes to look exactly the same. See, this one is like a nice cut V and this one is more rounded. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take just a little bit of the blue and the silver and do a little bit of a halo. I'm gonna spray so I can get the ultimate payoff. And this is just a smudge brush from Sephora. That purple just to blend out a little bit. Take another flat type smudger brush, spray this, and then I'm gonna take the silvery shade here. I think that's called Loyalty. I'm trying to blend the blue in just so it's not so like, whoa. Okay, now we're gonna take that purple shade again and wiggle it in the inner corner to create the halo. Okay, so I'm gonna put my foundation on and finish up. Okay, so I put my face on, and now I'm just going to revamp the eyes a little bit. I'm gonna do the lower lash line, and this is just a Morphe flat brush, really small, really light. I'm gonna take that purple shade again, just get a good smoke going. Okay, going back to the blue. And then back into that silver shade. And then we're gonna take a nude pencil, and this is NYX Jumbo Pencil in Sparkle Nude. Instead of being my own worst critic, I'm gonna be my #1 fan, and I'm gonna say it looks so good. I'm a star. I need to wear a lash that is not gonna hide the pops of color on the lid. You're finished. Okay, so I put my lashes on. They are the Kiss 11 lashes, and I'm just gonna pop a little in the inner corner, just to spark it up. And that is the finished look. I am in love with this palette. This eye look turned out to be really awesome. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I wasn't expecting much. I didn't think it would look this good, but I'm like, I fucking rock. But I figured my straight hair, even though my forehead is huge, getting those Kim K vibes. So hopefully this, oh, what am I doing? I need my lip. My KKW lip. I love makeup. Love you for catfishing. MAC Velvet Teddy. Kimberly, KKW Kylie Cosmetics. Whoa. Those things look inflated. Woo! So this is the actual final look. Take it in. Love it. I'm so extra because I'm so excited about this look. It really blew my mind. I really didn't think it was gonna look like this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.